I got my Rainhandler installed, and I'm on my back porch right now. It's storming, but I wanted to show you how well this thing is working. See how the rain just kicks out away from my shed? And it's landing in my grass there. Before, it would just fall off the roof and land straight down, and it would dig a trench next to the shed. And this is just awesome. You can, the more it rains, the more you can see the effect. This is really cool. This is the Rainhandler system. I'm really glad I installed it on the side of my shed. I've got it installed on the other side too, but you can't see it from here. And I'll put a link to that in the description in case you're interested. It's really cool stuff and really easy to install.